Hi guys, welcome to Cooking Grandad Style. A couple of bits of bread. Oh, I did have a question. What sort of bread was it? Kingsmill 50/50. Not sure whether we got that in Lidl or Tesco, I wouldn't know. But that's to answer a question. Right, a technical one today. Should have used a larger plate. We're going to make crisp sandwiches. So we have applied the butter. Well, actually I can't believe it's not butter. Now we have some crisps. Ready salted crisps in this case. What do you call it in America? Chips or something? We call chips something completely different. You call them fries. Never mind. Carefully manipulate them so that they're no longer going to look like crisps. All crumpled up. And then fold them over. Now if you use the wrong sort of bread or old bread, it splits along the join. But as long as it's nice fresh white bread, the supermarket white bread's pretty good. That bends well without cracking. But that's it. That's your crisp sandwich. Almost as good as a chip sandwich. Job done. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description down below for more information. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you like that one, you might like to subscribe over here.